Yes. I start the machine, got my roller, my cheese, my onions, and my flour. Something more sticky. A bit more sticky. Let's get the out. The first one will be a small one. I do it without tomato juice. Yes, normally I like it with tomato, but I don't want. Just simple, just onions, dough, cheese, bam. Yeah. A little bit more cheese. Herbalize it. More herbs. Let's wait. Delicious. Okay, while that one is baking, we will be making a new one. How flatter it is, how better it is with this maker. With this maker and pizza maker. Freaking fly. Some herbs are now massaged in it. Actually, this we are not making naan bread or something. Still a bit raw. Massage. Stretchy massage. I want you to. It's too white. This will take a while. This will rest, and I will rest.